Now in this video class I am going to explain permutations with the repetition of things. Permutations with dissimilar things in the previous video class completed. Now permutations with the repetition of things. Here repetition of things means each object can be repeated any number of times. There is no restriction here. A letter lock consists of 3 rings. We can observe that one in a suitcase also. Here 3 rings are there, each marked with 10 different letters. Maximum number of here 10 are there, here also 10 are there, here also 10 are there. Maximum number of ways to make unsuccessful attempts to open the lock is. For example, maximum number of trials. Maximum number of trials means here we can keep any one of the 10 letters. 10 ways are there. So this problem not yet completed. So we have to use the fundamental multiplication principle only. Into, if it is not completed, you can keep into. And the second one also, second ring. Here also 10 letters are there. We can keep any one. 10 attempts are there. Here also into. Here also 10 attempts are there. Total 10 cube attempts are there. In that, only one is only for one matching. The ring is open only. 3 rings each marked with a letter lock consists of. We can unlock this one with only one successful attempt is there. If I subtract the 1, here 10 are there, here 10 are there, here also 10 are there. For example, here if I keep y, here r, this is the successful attempt only. That a successful attempt I am subtracting that one. Remaining all are 999. All these 3 remaining 999, those are unsuccessful attempts only. Unsuccessful attempts. Next one. The number of 4-digit telephone numbers. The number of 4-digit telephone numbers having at least one of their digits is repeated. The number of 4-digit telephone numbers, at least one of their digits is repeated. Here how to do this one? Here the number of 4-digit telephone numbers are there. It may start with 0 also. At least one of their digit is repeated. Here what I am doing, this one can be filled with here 0 to 9. What are the digits are there? 0, 1, 2, 3, so on up to 9. Total 10 digits are there. 10 different digits are there. So in the first blank place we can keep any one of the 10 digits. Here 10 ways are there. That is not yet completed. Into. Second blank place also. Here each digit can be repeated any number of times. Each digit is repeated. So here also we can keep 10 ways. Here also we can keep any one of the 10 digits. Here also we can keep any one of the 10 digits. Total 10 power 4. Minus. Here what I am subtracting here, none of the digit is repeated. None of the digit is repeated. So this one we can keep in 10 ways. That one we can keep in 10 ways. This one we can keep any one of the 9 letters, the rest of the 9 digits. Here 8, here 7. And see the result. Why? Because here all are mixed only. None of the digit is repeated. At least one digit is repeated. Everything is there. If I subtract from all these, none of the digit is repeated. You can get at least one of the digit is repeated. At least one of the digit is repeated. Now third one. What is the third one here? The number of odd numbers. The number of odd numbers lying between 40,000 to 70,000 So here we want lying between these two means we want 5-digit numbers. We want 5-digit numbers. 5-digit numbers. By using the digits 0, 1, 4, 5, 7. In between 4 and 7, what are the letters are there here? Only one is there. By using the digits 4 and 5 are there. If the digits can be repeated any number of times, now here we want 5-digit numbers, 5-digit and the number of odd numbers, 5-digit and odd numbers also we want. Now here by using the digits 0, 0, 1, 4, 5, 7. 0, 1, 4, 5, 7. So 5-digit numbers we want 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Odd numbers we want. Odd numbers means here we can keep any one of the either 1 or 5 or 7 in the last place. Here each digit is repeated any number of times. So here we want all the 5-digit numbers between 40,000 to 70,000. So here if I keep 4, here if I keep 4 and odd numbers we want. So this one can be filled with any number of, see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 digits are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this can be filled with any one of the 5 digits. This is also 5. This is also 5 ways. This is only 3 ways, either 1 or 5 or 7. 3 ways are there. So here by filling with all these, here we are keeping either 1 or 5 or 7. So that is more than 40,000 only. That is more than 40,000. Here also the same way. This is completed. One operation that is completed. So next one, this one. After getting the result, we have to add these two only. Here also we can keep the same way. 5 ways, 5 ways, 5 ways. Here 3 ways are there. So 3 into, here how many we are getting? 3 into 125. 3 into 125 plus here one more digit also there, 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7. Then totally changes here. 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. So this one can be filled with 6. This is also 6. This is also 6. Here also we can get the same thing. Here we can keep any one of the 6 digits, 6, 6. Here only 3 ways are there. Either 1 or 5 or 7 to get the odd numbers. So by adding these two, we can get 2 into 3 into 6 into 6 into 6. 2 3s are 6 power 4 we are getting. 36 into 36, that is 1296. Next, the number of 5-digit numbers using 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 divisible by 4. Divisible by 4 with the repetition is divisible by 4 means last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. Here these 2 digits should be divisible by 4. So by using the digits, last digits, what to keep here? Each digit with the repetition also given. If I keep 0, 0. So 0, 0, that is divisible by 4. 4 zeros are 0 only. Next, here what are all the possible ways we have to write? 0, 4 if I keep in the last 2 digits. that is also divisible by 4. Like that, how to write last two digits? If I keep 1 2, next 0 4 completed, 0 2 0 3 1 0 1 12 1 3 1 4 3 0 3 1 3 2 3 2 is there, 3 3 3 4. Next 4 0 4 2 4 3 4 4. Total how many we are getting? 1 2 3 4 5 6 we are getting. So 6 4 digit numbers are there. And one more also we can keep, 2 0 also can keep, 2 0 24 also with the 2 I did not see that one, 24 2 0 24. Total how many are there? 3 plus 3 6 plus 2 8 are there. So here first place can be filled with any one of the, how many ways are there to fill the first blank place? Here 4 ways are there. Don't keep 0. 1 2 3 4. You can keep any one of the 4. And to fill that second blank place, how many ways are there? 5 ways are there. First blank place 4 ways are there. Second blank place 5 ways are there. Here this type how many we are getting? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 are there. Total 8 into 4 into 5. Sorry, here they are asking 5 digit numbers. One more you can keep. 5 digit numbers. So first blank place 4 ways, second one 5, third one into 5. Total like that, how many are there? Everywhere the same ways only. 4 into 5 into 5. Here also 4 into 5 into 5. Here also 4 into 5 into 5. First 3 blank places we can fill with these number of ways. Total 8 are there. 8 into 4 into 5 into 5. So here we can get 800. That is the answer. Next one, the number of 4 digit numbers using 1 2 3 4 5 6 divisible by 3. Here we want 4 digit numbers. 4 digit numbers divisible by 3. Divisible by 3 means divisibility rules are there. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. Here divisible by 4 means last 2 digits should be divisible by 4, then the total number is divisible by 4. And here divisible by 3 means sum of the digits should be divisible by 3, or if it is the multiple of 3, then we say the total number is divisible by 3. The number of 4 digit numbers using the digits 1 2 3 4 5 6 divisible by 3. So this one we can do in 2 different ways. Here this one you can fill with the 6 ways. This one you can fill with the 6 ways. This is also you can fill with the 6 ways. And this one also you can fill with the 6 ways. Then we can see that one. For example, here I am keeping 5 5 5. Then what about the last digit? What about the sum of the digits here? 15. 15 means here if I keep 5, here also 5, here also 5, 15. So the last digit should be either 3 or 6 only. 2 ways are there. If I keep 5, next here I said here 6 ways are there. First 3 you can fill with any one of the digits only. 1 2 3 4. For example, if I keep 1 4 5, total how much we are getting? 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 1 10. 10 means either here you can keep either 2 or 5. First three you can fill with any one. Here 6 ways are there. That's why here what I am saying, 6 ways, here also 6 ways, here also 6 ways. This one depends upon the sum. You can take the digits. But everywhere we are getting 2 only. Either 3 or 6 here. If I keep 1, 4, 5, I am getting 2 or 5. For example, if I keep all the 3 digits of 2, 2, 2, then 3 2s are 6. Either is 3 or 6 we can keep. 6 plus 3 9, 6 plus 6 12. Both are divisible by 3. So first place can be filled with 6 ways. Second blank place can be filled with any one of the 6 digits, and third one also 6, and the last one depends upon that only. Last one can be filled with 2. Everywhere we are getting the 2 ways only. So 216 432. 432, that is the correct option. See, this type of possibility in the repetition of things only, but in without repetition we have to check all, we have to take the values only. So next, number of 4-digit numbers using 0 1 2 3 4 5. Number of 0 1 2 3 4 5. Here we want 4-digit numbers which are divisible by 6. That should be even. Even means here we can keep either 0 or 2 or 4 in the units place, and here 0 should not keep in the first place. 1 2 3 4 5. Here 5 ways are there. Here you can keep any one of the 6 ways are there. Here you can keep any one. So here 5 ways are there. Here 6 ways are there. Last one 3 ways are there. Here 3 ways are there. What about this one? Depends upon this one only. Why? Because here divisible by 6 means units and digits should be, that should be divisible by both 2 and 3. That should be divisible by both 2 and 3. 2 and 3 means even. Even means units and digits should be occupied by either 0 or 2 or 4. So here, for example, this one 5 ways I am saying. 5 ways. I am keeping 2. Here 6 ways are there. You can keep any one. Here also I am keeping 0. How much I am getting? Sum of the digits only 2 I am getting. So what should be added if it is to divisible by 6 here? That should be divisible by 6 only. Divisible by 3 means sum of the digits should be multiple of 3 only. So here I have to add either 1 or 4. 2 ways are there here. 2 ways are there to fill this one. Here 0 or 2 or 4 you can keep any one. For example, if you want you can see one more also. For example, here I am keeping 4. Here I am saying 5 ways are there, except 0 you can keep anything. For example, you can keep 3. And here 6 ways are there. Here you can keep anything. 4 I am keeping 4 only. 4 plus 3 7. 7 plus 4 11. 11 it should be added by either 1 or 5. 11 plus 1 12 divisible by 3. 11 plus 5 divisible by 5. 16, sorry, here don't keep this one. 11 plus 2. 2, 3, 4. 4, you can keep 4. 11 plus 4, 15. 15, that is the multiple of 3 only. 2 ways are there here. Either 1 or 4 you can keep. The total number is divisible by 6 only. So 5 into first place can be filled by 5 ways. Second blank place can be filled by 6 ways. And the last one can be filled by 3 ways. Here this one can be filled by 2 ways. So total 180 ways. 180 4-digit numbers are there divisible by 6. Next one. The number of 4-letter words that can be formed using the letters of the word article in which at least one letter is repeated This one we discussed already, second problem I think. That is in numbers. Here the number of 4-letter words we want. 4-letter words. 4-letter words that can be formed using the letters of the word, in which at least one letter. See, at least one letter is repeated whenever they ask this type. First you can write total number of 4-letter words with repetition. Total how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 letters are there. So first one can be filled in 7 ways. 7 into 7 into 7 minus none of the letter is repeated. Here if I fill with the 7 ways, here 6, here 5, here 4. With a repetition, without a repetition. If I subtract without a repetition, then at least one letter is repeated. So 7 power 4 minus that one, you can calculate the value. Next one, find the number of 5-letter words that can be formed using the letters of the word mixture, which begin with vowel. When the repetitions are allowed. Here we want 5-letter words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, what are the vowels are there? I, U, E. 3 are there. So here, first one can be filled with any one of the 3 ways. Either I or U or E you can keep. Next, second one. Here, repetitions are allowed. Total how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are there. So here you can keep any one of the 7 letters. Here also you can keep any one of the 7. 7 into 7. So 3 into 7 power 4. Next, find the number of 5-letter words that can be formed using the letters of the word nature that begin with N when the repetition is allowed. Here we want 5-letter words. 5-letter words we want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Begin with N. So here we can keep any one. Repetitions are allowed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 6 ways, here 6 ways, here 6 ways, here also 6 ways. Already we have done that one. 1296, same model. So begin with all these 1296 words, 5-letter words starts with N only. Next one, 9 different letters of an alphabet are given. Find the number of 4-letter words that can be formed by using these 9 letters which have no letter is repeated. No letter is repeated. Here we want find the number of 4-letter words we want. 4-letter words. Without a repetition, no letter is repeated. So this one can be filled with any one of the 9. After that 8 letters are left. So next 7, next 6. This is the result for the answer for the first one. Second one, at least one letter is repeated. Same model we have done already. Minus total number of all the possibilities, all with the repetition. You have to find total number of all the 4-letter words with a repetition. The repetition is allowed. 9 into 9 into 9 into 9 minus none of the letter is repeated. None of the letter is repeated means 9 into 8 into 7 into 6. Then we can get at least one letter is repeated. Next one. Find the number of 4-digit numbers which can be formed using the digits 0, 2, 5, 7, 8. Here we want 4-digit numbers. 4-digit numbers we want. So, which can be formed using the digits, total 5 are there, that are divisible by 2. Divisible by 2 means here we can keep either 0 or 2 or 8. 3 ways are there if it is divisible by 2. And the first one should not keep 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ways are there. So here I can keep any one of the 5 digits. Here also I can keep any one of the 5 digits. Total number of 4-digit numbers which are divisible by 2, that is equal to 4 into 5 into 5 into 3. Next, divisible by 4. last two digits should be divisible by 4. So here I can keep 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 4, 0, 8. Next 2, 0, 2, 0, 22, 25, 25, 28, 50, 52, 52, 55, 57, 58, 72, 72, 75, 78, 80, 88. Maybe these we can get. Now here we want a total divisible by 4. So here we can keep anyone 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ways are there here, 5 ways are there. Like this, how many we are getting? Everywhere we can get the same number only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are there. 8 into 20, that is equal to 160 are there. Next one. How many numbers less than 2000 that can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4? So here how many numbers less than 2000? So here we can't keep using the digits if a repetition is allowed. So less than 2000 means first place occupied by 1. First place occupied by 1. In the second place we can keep repetitions are allowed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 ways are there. Here also 4 ways are there. Here also 4 ways are there. Total how many we are getting? 64. 4 cube. Next, find the number of 5-digit numbers which are divisible by 5 that can be formed using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, which are divisible by 5. Which are divisible by 5 means 5-digit numbers we want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, units digits should be either 5 or 0. If it is divisible by 5, units digits should be either 0 or 5. So here we can't keep 0. 5-digit numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5 ways are there. Here 6 ways are there. Here 6 ways are there. Here also 6 ways. Here also same type only. 5 into 6 into 6 into 6. So total number of ways that is equal to 2 into 5 into 6 cube. 6 cube that is 216. 216 0 will be 6 cube 216 multiplied by 10. There is a small correction here. Here what they given, how many numbers less than 2000? Less than 2000 by using the that can be found by using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4. Here number of 4-digit number or 3-digit or 2-digit single digit not mentioned. So here we have to take all the possibilities. How many numbers less than 2000 that can be formed by using the digits? First we can take single digit numbers. Single digit numbers. How many are there? Either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Total 4 are there. 2-digit numbers. 2-digit numbers, that is equal to, here repetitions are allowed. So this one we can keep 4 ways. This is also 4 ways. So total 16 are there. 2-digit numbers. All those are less than 2000 only. 3-digit numbers, that is equal to, here 4 into 4 into 4, 64. Now 4-digit numbers all we don't want. 4-digit numbers. 4-digit numbers, that is equal to, here you can keep only 1. First one only 1. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 into 4 into 4, that is equals to 64. Total 8. 148. Total 148 numbers are there. All are less than 2000. Next one. 4 dice are rolled. The number of ways in which at least one die shows 3. 4 dice are rolled. So total possibilities. Here we can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The number of ways in which at least one die shows 3. Here are total possibilities. Here 6 ways, 6, 6, 6. Total 1296. Here we can get minus, when rolling the 4 dice without getting 3, either 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 5 ways are there, 5 ways are there, 5 ways are there, 5 ways are there. If I subtract this one, we can get at least one die shows 3 only. Okay, thank you.